Hello and welcome to another update video about Bonk. Bonk has reacted nicely here to this orange main support zone, the upper support zone. A few days ago, rallied, broke out of this corrective price channel and has since not re-entered it. So there was a successful retest from that, from the price, testing the upper boundary line of that descending price channel. It's potentially bullish. I'm watching for higher prices at the moment. Still would have preferred a more direct upside continuation after the breakout, but we had a significant surge, even a reaction then here again to the trend channel. So it's all good. And even to the support zone, right? The previously mentioned support zone. So everything good, it worked. The setup worked, everything. It's just that do we get the follow through? That would now be ideal. Quickly about the context, we are dealing still with a structure where we had an initial 5-wave rally to the upside into the May highs, and then from there we have a corrective pullback into the June lows with the price bottomed around 182.314, and then from here we were watching for reversal. Now it might be on the way. The initial signal was obviously this candle, but then also the 5-wave move up. Then we had the retest of the trend channel hitting our support zone. Now the question is, is this a 1-2 setup? Okay. And the wave 2 might have bottomed already, but then the rally was only in 3 waves. Now you could say, okay, sometimes with these crypto rallies, the micro counts aren't very clear. But because it had quite a sharp decline afterwards, and the rally looks more like a 3-wave move, I'm considering this rather an ABC flat in this wave 2, so that the wave 2 never bottomed. But it might bottom in this region now. Okay, it might get one more low. Again, micro counting of altcoins is tricky. But we might be dealing with this like an ending diagonal pattern. Like this, yeah. And then the 4th wave might go a little bit higher. I've added resistance to the chart, and any break above 242.705 would indicate a more direct breakout without one more low. Okay, now I'm looking for higher prices, but definitely could see the possibility of one more low here in wave 5. It would look ideal, yeah, because then I have an A wave down, which looks like a 3-wave move, a B wave up, which looks like a 3-wave move, and then 5 down, and I've got my IABC structure there. But again, it might be the interpretation is wrong, and maybe wave 2 bottomed here, and this is actually 5 waves. It just looks a bit like 3. So that's why I would rely rather on the Fib levels, the zones, okay, and the idea is that as long as we're holding this Fibonacci support zone, which is defined between 192.859 and 155.04, well, the focus could generally be on still higher prices, right? That's still the idea. With an upside, upper resistance level at 242.705, and then the upside breakout point is the B wave top at 251.443. If this is what's following, what the price could be following through on, the first main resistance is 284.481, but the 3rd wave, if it's really wave 3, should reach 315.730. Now, many Elliott wave traders would attempt to take decent profits around the 100% extension level already at 284.481, just because it could also be an ABC structure. That's the update about Bonk. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.